Whenever I'm faced with quite a long question like this one, I like to start right at the back and think, we're working out the profits of 1k. Let's call that x. And then we want to work out a way of calculating x. Now, the profit, we're given a total profit here. We need to somehow get from this figure to x. We're going to plan out a roadmap there. Okay, so we kind of need to use all the information we're given, and this is what we're trying to find out. So she sells 192 cakes in the ratio, like so. If we want to divide into a ratio, we think how many parts are there in total? So we do 7, add 6, add 11. There's 24 parts. If we divide 192 by 24, that tells me that one part must be equal to 8. 7 parts, that's going to give me 56. 6 parts, that's going to give me 6 times 8, which is 48. And then 11 parts, 11 times 8, that's 88. I'll just do a quick spot check at this point to see if that is correct. So if I do 56, add 48, add 88, we get 192. So that must be correct at this point. So we divided the 192 into this ratio. We've used this information. The profit from one medium cake is twice the profit of a small cake. So if x is the profit for a small cake, then 2x, that must be the profit for a medium cake. We've used that information. Profit for one large cake is 3 times the profit for a small cake. So large must be 3x. We've used that information. Work out the total profit of one small cake. Still not there yet, are we? We haven't used this information yet, have we? Now, if we added together all the profits of what we had so far, then that's going to tell us what the total profit is. So we sold 56 small cakes, and the profit of each of those was x. We sold 48 medium cakes, and the profit of each of those was 2x. And then we sold 88 large cakes, and the profit for each of those was 3x. So we started to construct a few expressions which we can use. And if we add all these together, each of these individual profits, that's going to give us £532.48. And now we've got an equation for x. Fantastic. This is the link we're looking for. Now we need to simplify this and solve. So 48 times 2 is 96. And 88 times 3, that gives me 264. 264x, add 96x, add 56, we get 416x in total. 416x is equal to £532.48. Finally, to work out x, we just do the opposite of here. So we're timesing by 416. The opposite is dividing. So if I divide £532.46 by 416, I don't get the number I'm looking for. Now, okay. And when you make a silly mistake like this, you go back and see what you did. And we can see that I copied that down wrong. That should have been 48 instead of 46. That had a knock-on effect. Now, when you're dealing with pounds and pence, you are expecting it to be a whole number of pennies. So that couldn't be true. We go back into a calculation and do it again. And this time we get a whole number of pennies, which is 1.28.